Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and having a place to lie down and feel comfortable is really important to me no matter where I go. So I am really happy to now have this portable camping cot from 72 Hours. I've been really impressed by just how sturdy this camping cot is. The top is really taut and it doesn't tend to sag down when I lie on it. It feels stable on whatever surface I put it on, and it feels just incredibly well made. Not only does it hold my weight well, but my 6-foot tall husband, who weighs quite a bit more than I do, can lie on it and not worry about it collapsing. I'm so happy with how easily and quickly it unfolds. It's ready for us to use in a snap. I think the fact that it folds up really compactly, just like a camping chair, is super convenient and makes it so we can take it with us absolutely anywhere. It's going to be perfect for us to use as an extra guest bed too, since we have a cot-sized mattress that we can put on top of it, and we can make up the perfect little extra bed. I think this is a great alternative bed to offer to an extra unexpected guest, and it's much better than sticking them on the floor or on the couch. I think that this cot from 72 Hours is really high quality and comfortable. It's a great addition to our lifestyle. But that's just my point of view.